Hi developers, React Native is undoubtedly a fantastic framework. With it, you can develop Android, iOS, and many other types of applications. In fact, the demand for React Native is increasing day by day, and the salary prospects are also quite attractive. So, you can start with a fresh React Native course, but you might ask me a question. Why should we choose your course when there are so many courses available on the internet? There are free ones, paid ones, and even official documentation. So, why this course? This is a complete React Native course, where we won't miss anything. Every topic will be covered, along with interview questions and examples. At the end, you'll also get to work on a project. We'll even implement Redux along with React Native. Some people say that you should know React.js well before learning React Native. And no worries. Even if you don't know React.js, there's no need to worry. I will teach all React.js concepts used in React Native, whether it's components, state, props, hooks, or lifecycle methods. Everything will be taught within React Native itself. Every topic we cover will include interview questions because my goal isn't just to teach you React Native and leave it there. I want you to land a job or get an increment if you already have one. I will learn React Native for both Android and iOS, not just for Android. I'll show you how to set up the environment for Android and iOS and how to create separate builds for both. If you need the code, it will be available in the description box of every video with a GitHub link. I'll also give small exercises so you can build logic yourself, which will boost your confidence and help with interview questions. If you have any questions related to any topic, feel free to ask in the comments or message me on Instagram. Now, the first question: what is React Native? It is a framework for developing Android and iOS applications. It's written in JavaScript and React.js, and some people think it's just written in React.js, but internally, React.js itself uses JavaScript, so calling it JavaScript or React.js isn't wrong. When we build applications in React Native, the code is converted to native code. Even if you've used PhoneGap or Cordova, you might remember their apps didn't look as good or native. But React Native apps look and feel like real native apps, whether it's buttons, input boxes, or the keyboard. Currently, React Native's version is 0.70, but if you're watching this video later, check the latest version since it might have changed. React Native was initially released on March 26, 2015. Why learn React Native over something like PhoneGap, Cordova, or Xamarin? Most companies prefer React Native because its UI looks great and it's easy to learn as it uses JavaScript. You don't need to write separate code for Android and iOS. One codebase works for both. If you already know React.js, learning React Native will be even easier, and you can become both a web and mobile developer. React Native is maintained by Facebook, meaning it's not a small company but a huge one that will support it long term. So, it will remain relevant for at least the next 10 to 12 years. Some key topics include setting up React Native on Android and iOS, understanding state, components, hooks, lifecycle methods, navigation, form handling, API integration, Redux, and a full project. There will be approximately 80 to 100 videos, and every video will include interview questions. My focus is on quality content, and I aim to provide maximum knowledge in minimal time without any unnecessary talk. So, I request you to please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your feedback in the comments. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.